The following is a secret trick to see Facebook passwords that are rarely known.
I know gold is not in her. She's a diamond under her.
Hello friends, welcome to the TEPC tutorial. As we know, we can't see directly Facebook password. Because in the account settings menu, there is no menu to view the Facebook password, which is forgotten. And there is only a menu to change the password. However, there is one trick you can use to see the forgotten password. The trick, we go to the settings menu. And then select Google. Then select Manage your Google account. Then we select the security menu. Then in this menu line, we swipe up. And then select the password manager. And here you will find all the accounts and their passwords, which have been stored so far. And then we select this facebook.com. And to see the password, just press this I logo. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.